Hey folks, Shawn Plummer over at the Annuity Expert. Today's video, this is for newbies. What is an annuity? What is an immediate annuity? Okay, so for you new people out there just getting into annuities and discovering whether it's a good fit for you or not, the immediate annuity is the OG, the original annuity. Okay, basically what the concept is you give up a lump sum of money to an insurance company, and in return they're going to give you fixed annuity payments for a fixed period of time, or for the rest of your life, or the rest of your life plus a spouse's lifetime. Okay. There's all different types of payouts that you can receive. There's life only. There's joint survivor. That's two couples. There's life of period certain, where they pay for the rest of your life, and there's some sort of guarantee of payments if you die prematurely. There's a life with cash refund, where they give your original investment back if you die in the contract. But the big thing that you should know if you're new to annuities with immediate annuities, also immediate annuities, also known as a SPIA, Single Premium Immediate Annuity, the payments are irrevocable. What that means is once you start that immediate annuity, you're giving up control over all your money to the insurance company. You're basically giving your money to the insurance company, it becomes the insurance company's money, and then in return, they give you a stream of payments, okay? But once you start that, there's no turning back. The legal term that is used is irrevocable, meaning you change your mind, tough. You get these payments, if there's an emergency happen, tough. You get these payments, right? If you're young and you're wealthy, or if maybe you want to use it to like pay off a mortgage in retirement at the same time, an immediate annuity would be great. In the 2000s, people weren't happy with it. They weren't happy with that it was irrevocable. So what they did as an evolution of the annuity, they created what's called a guaranteed lifetime withdrawal benefit. This is kind of a bell and whistle that you add on to a fixed annuity, fixed index annuity, or variable annuity. And basically it will do the same thing. It will give you a contractual guaranteed income for the rest of your life. It usually comes at an additional cost that's deducted from the account value. You'll be able to earn interest. You'll be able to have control over your money. You'll be able to have liquidity. You'll have the ability to change your mind if you don't want the contract. If you die, there'll be some sort of lump sum death benefit to beneficiaries. Spouses are protected in it. And it's just a way that you can get the same immediate income for the rest of your life and not worry about having to give up control over your money in case of emergencies. So the easy way to compare apples to apples is visit us at the Annuity Expert. You could come here. We have a calculator that will show you what the highest immediate income that you can get from insurance companies are. No need to put in an email address. You can do it all anonymously. Just Google us, the Annuity Expert, and we'll pop up. And then if you want a quote, we provide a free comparison sheet that will show like 25, 30 different insurance companies and what the payouts will be in any various ages. So you can make a confident decision and really just decide if annuities are a good fit for you at all. So visit us over at the Annuity Expert. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll answer it, and I might create a video around it. So hope this answered your question. Catch you on the next video. See you.